किसी ने बड़े कमाल की बात कही है कि हीरे की कीमत चाहे आईने से लाख गुना ज़्यादा क्यों ना हो, मगर लोग हीरा पहनने के बाद भी आईने को ही ढूंढते हैं। Good evening everyone, my name is Ajay. Today I am here to sharing an inspirational story, but not of any actor, a famous person. I am want to tell a story of a village. There was a digger in a village. He used to dig the soil and he has to carry that soil to his artisan. One day when he was digging the soil, he found a attractive shiny stone. Then he carried that stone, and as he think that it is very attractive, he bind it in the neck of his donkey. Then he start doing his work, and on the way he met and said he has a small grocery shop, so everyone used to say him Seth. So Seth asked him that where are you going with your donkey? Then he say, I am going to my work. Then Sethji again asked, no, I am talking about that stone in the around the neck of donkey. Then he say, I found it when I was digging, now it is mine, so I am taking it. Then he say, it look like very attractive, shiny, I like it. If you give me, I will allow you to I will give you anything, whatever you want. Then digger was a very poor man. He didn't think very far. He just thought that I should buy 1 kg good that was in grocery shop. So then he asked for that. Then Sethji gave. After that he gave the stone. Once by chance a jeweler come in the village, and he saw that there is a stone in the handle of his scales. Then he asked for the Seth that what is it? He said it is an attractive stone. I get it from somewhere. Then he say, can you give me this? So Sethji say, yes, I can give you, but if you pay me 100 rupees, I will give you. Then he was a very miser. The jeweler was very miser. He start he start bargaining. If you give me this in 80 rupees, I will buy it. Then the bargaining become very long. So then Sethji said, bro, apart from joke, I get it from a labor, and I pay him 50 rupees. If you want to take it, I will have my profit. That's why I am saying you of 100 rupees. Then he said no. Then no, I will buy in 180 rupees only. Then jeweler thought in his mind that I will come tomorrow. Maybe he will be agree from me that yes, I will give you in 80 rupees. Then he went from there. Then a big jeweler come with his car. He was passing from there. Suddenly his car get out of order. Then he start waiting for his driver to fix the car. Then he saw a grocery shop. So he was also hungry. He think that I should buy some eatables. As he entered the shop, he also saw that stone on the handle of scale. Then he also asked what is it? He know that it is diamond. Then he wants to know that do he know? Does he know? Then he asked. So he said it is a stone. So jeweler say, can you give me this? So he say, yes, I will give you if you pay me 100 rupees. Without any bargaining, without any questions, that jeweler gave him 100 rupees and buy the diamond and went from there. Another day, the miser jeweler come and say that where is it? Where that stone? Where is that stone? The Sethji said that a big jeweler come. He asked me for that stone. So he take from me 100 rupees. So he get very angry. The miser jeweler get very angry. He starts shouting. He said, did you know it was a very good diamond? The cost of that very heavy, approx 1 lakh or more than that. Then the Seth said very happily, if you know that the cost of that diamond is very much, it is very good amount, so why did you not buy it from me 100 rupees. You are shouting on me. I think apart from me, you are very mad. For 20 rupees, you get lost of 1 lakh rupees. So from that story, we get a moral. We should not never ever lost any opportunities in our life. It can be of anything, like speaking, work, of anything. If we lost any opportunity, we don't know that what will happen in upcoming time. So thank you.